Alright guys, so since the STI is down for the motor swap, we're going to have to be driving the pickup truck, Old Blue. So I'm going to go ahead, we're going to do just a little bit of maintenance check on it. We're going to change the oil, check the spark plugs, do a couple other things just to make sure she's running good, since I'm going to have to be driving it more now. So we're going to jump in, head to the auto parts store, and I'll catch you guys in a minute. Alright guys, we're back. Gonna jump on the F150, get the oil changed on this bad boy, and then I'll check see how long that takes us. Start looking at replacing the spark plugs as well. I don't know when the last time they were replaced was. This truck's been sitting for a long time, so I feel like it might be a good idea just to go ahead and replace those. So let's get straight into that. Oil's done, so we're going to jump in there now, pull the fuse for the fuel pump, go ahead and relieve the fuel pressure, and then I'll pull the rails, swap out the injectors, pull off the coil packs, and swap out the spark plugs as well. Just try and get the truck dialed in, running a little better than it was. It has been sitting a little neglected for a while I've been working on the STI. So we'll throw the time lapse up and we'll get in there and take care of that. Alright, we got the injectors and the spark plugs done on the truck. It wasn't too bad. Really, the worst ones are just the back two cylinders on each side, just to get in there. Why Ford decided they need to bury that part of the motor instead of just bringing it like 4 inches forward would have made a world of difference. But unfortunately, it is what it is on that. She's running better now. It's running a lot smoother. I think that cylinder misfire, there was a random misfire going on, but after taking a look at those plugs, it was, after taking a look at those plugs, I think that was 100% the reason why, was those plugs were just filthy and corroded. So got the new plugs in and everything's looking good on the truck. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll catch you next time.